Before we start, here's a reality check. The market is packed with best ever video tools, and most don't live up to the hype. Premiere Pro has outlasted plenty of editing fads, and for good reason. It's one of the rare pro-level editors that still balances depth with reliability. You can cut a quick YouTube video or tackle a full multicam project without hitting odd software limits. The editing tools are the gold standard, but it still has the basics, such as simple transitions. Slip, slide, ripple, and roll make precise edits without wrecking your timeline. And the color grading is among the best you'll get outside of some dedicated grading software, truly. Auto reframe saves time when posting the same project across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. It's not flawless, but usually close enough to avoid a full re-edit. Premiere Pro can handle almost anything you throw at it, but it works best on well-spec'd machine. There's also a learning curve if you're completely new to editing, though the payoff is huge once you get comfortable. If you need one editor that can handle almost anything and stay relevant for years, this is it. If you're on a Mac and want pro-level editing without adding another subscription, Apple Final Cut Pro is hard to beat. It's a one-time purchase. It runs incredibly fast on Apple Silicon, and it's tuned to squeeze the most out of your Mac's hardware. The magnetic timeline keeps edits fluid without breaking your sequence, and you get advanced color grading, HDR support, and rock-solid multicam editing. It's also tightly integrated with Apple's other creative tools like Motion for animations or Compressor for custom exports, so the workflow stays smooth. The obvious downside is it's Mac only, so Windows creators can't join in. But if you're already in the Apple ecosystem and want to invest once and be set for years, Final Cut Pro is a smart, long-term buy that's trusted by plenty of pro editors and solo creators alike. Oh, and if you're not ready to drop cash yet, give iMovie a try, also from Apple. It's free, easy to pick up, and it works a lot like Final Cut, so when you do upgrade, you'll already know your way around. At the end of the day, the best tool is the one you'll actually use. No upgrade will save a project you never finish, so pick what fits your workflow, learn it, and keep polishing. We will link to all the tools below so you can try them out for yourself. Most have free trials, so there's zero risk in testing. This is worst case. If you find this useful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Now, go and make something worth watching.